We used to use one of these when I worked at Western States, and it's a gear oil pump. So your gear oil was in here, and this was the return hose. You'd move this out of the way, and you'd put whatever your bucket was right there, and then you turn the handle, and it would pump however many quarts or whatever you wanted. You'd use usually a quart at a time. I used to use this when I worked as a mechanic. You'd hook it up to your battery, and you could actually take a reading of the charging system, and you could also do the load on the regular system. Here was your ammeter, tell you how many amps you were pulling, and then you had your voltage meter here, and you had you'd put up on 16 if it was a 12 volt system, and then you'd pull it down to 12 and see how many amperes you were pulling.